Hi guys, and welcome back to the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel. Today we've got another review for you. So today we're testing out the BD Clean Lance Sealant. So this is a sealant that you dilute into your snow foam lance and then put a layer over the car and leave it for 2 minutes, and then it should provide your car with some protection. So behind us now we've got this Fiesta. It's got no protection on at all, which is really good to test on. So we're going to quickly wash the car. Okay, so I've just finished washing the car. So there really is no protection on this paint. So if you check out this footage, you'll see, well, there's no water behaviour from the bonnet at all. So hopefully we'll see a good change when we apply this lance sealant. So now we're going to mix the lance sealant. So what it says on the instructions is to pour 30 to 50 ml in the bottom of the snow foam lance and then top the rest up with water. So we're going to do that now, and then we'll apply it to the car. The lance filled up. It does look just like water, but the liquid in the lance sealant bottle is clear. So yeah, there's no colouring when you mix it with water, which is okay, I guess. So now we're gonna cover the car with this sealant. It says to leave it 2 to 3 minutes, so we're gonna do that, and then we'll rinse it off and see what the protection's like. Okay, so the sealant's been on about 3 minutes now, so I'm just going to rinse that off. The only thing with applying the sealant, it came out like water, so I don't know whether that's meant to happen or not, but for me, you couldn't see, well, you could see where you was applying it, but after you'd done, like, say, half a car, you couldn't go back like the snow foam and say, oh yeah, I've applied it to that bit, but not that bit. So that's the only downside at the minute. So let's rinse this off and we'll see what the protection's like. Okay, so that's the car fully protected. I'll show you a few videos now of the protection it gave. So the protection, well, you can tell it has done something to the paint. So by that, what I mean is there's a lot more water behaviour, saying that the car didn't have any protection at all to start with. So that's good. I'm curious to find out how long it'll actually last. Some of these snow foam sealants only last sort of like a week, but hopefully this will last like a few weeks until its next wash. So fingers crossed on that one. Some bad points. So I did end up using a lot of, well, nearly all of the snow foam lance, which I suppose if you're only using 30 or 50 ml in the snow foam lance, it's not too bad. But one of these a car, I think it's quite a lot to use. Also, another bad point, when applying this to the car, you can't see where you've laid it on because it just comes out like water. It's just clear. So what I would say, if I did have a choice, is for it to be more like snow foam, so a thicker solution, so you can see where you've applied it to the car, and you can see it actually doing something, because at the minute it just looks like you're applying water to the car. You're clearly not, because when you pressure wash it off, it does leave that protection behind. But that's just one thing I personally like. That was the review on the BD Lance Sealant. So my thoughts on it, it's okay. It does leave good visible protection on the paint after you wash it off. The bad points, like I say, I would prefer it if it was a more thick solution so you could see where you've applied it to the car. But other than that, it looks like it's giving good protection to the paint. So what we'll do, we'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully it'll last a few weeks. So if it does, the score on it will be even higher. It's an easy product to apply. You wash the car. After you've washed it, before you dry it, you just go over with this. It literally takes 2 minutes. Put it on, leave it 2 minutes, rinse it off, and then dry your car off. and it's protected. So it's an easy product, and for over the winter this would be a great product to use, so you don't have to come in contact with the paint as much, because you put it on through the snow foam lance and you don't have to touch the car. You just leave it for 2 minutes and then rinse it off. So over the winter it's a good product to use. So about the product, this is, well, the price ranges between $14.99 and $16.99. That's for the 500ml bottle. You can get it from the BD Clean website. I'll put the link below. Also go check them out because they've got loads of other products.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!